Hello guests, Ritzy Bellhop here, and welcome to Quite Optimal, the show where we discuss the best of everything on a per dollar basis. And recently, I had been on the hunt for some floating shelves, specifically some high quality, solid wood floating shelves, and I wanted to share with you guys the best ones that I found. And stay to the end because I'm gonna be giving away one of these shelves to one of you guys for free, and you are not gonna wanna miss the instructions on how to win. These are the Keelan Scott floating shelves. If that sounds familiar to you, it might be because you've seen my table desk video. I was very impressed with the Keelan Scott desk, so I went ahead and bought these shelves, which are made of matching South American walnut. These happen to be the 30-inch versions, which are $90 each, but they are also available in 18-inch, 42-inch, and 54-inch lengths. I'll leave a link to all these options in the description below. Use my discount code RITZY5 on their website for a 5% discount. Besides being made of premium solid wood, features that stood out to me about the Keelan Scott shelves include that they have a soft cut front edge, which I definitely prefer over the cornered edges you'd find on most floating shelves. They also have this cutout on the back where the mounting bracket fits, which allows the shelf to fit flush against the wall. In addition to the hardware, Keelan also includes this magnetic level, which makes it super easy to place the bracket against the wall and mark precisely where the screws need to go. Using my stud finder, I discovered that there was no stud where I wanted to fasten the shelf, which means I needed to use the included anchors. So I drilled into my marked spots in the wall, hammered the anchors in to get them started, and screwed them the rest of the way. Once that was done, I went ahead and screwed on the bracket. Because I am not mounting on a stud, the shelves will support up to 30 pounds. If I was able to find a stud, it would have been able to support 50 pounds. The last step was to use the small screws to fasten the bottom of the shelf to the bracket. Overall, I am very happy with these shelves. I love the walnut color. I love that it fits flush against the wall, and most of all, I love that it matches my desk. Now for the exciting part, I was given a third shelf to give away to one of you guys as long as you live in the continental United States. This one is an older model that does not have the cutout on the back, so it will not sit flush against the wall, but it's still a gorgeous walnut. So if you're interested in me shipping this to you for free, make sure that you're subscribed, leave a comment starting with the words ding ding, followed by what you would like me to talk about next on Quite Optimal, and then check back in 1 week to see if I've replied to your comment as the winner, because I'm going to leave some final instructions for you to follow before I can ship it to you. This is my third giveaway video in a row, so if you'd like to see more unsponsored videos on optimal living, I've left them for you just to the right of the floating shelves. And who knows, maybe I'm giving away something else right now. I'll see you there. I've left them for you just to the right of the just to the right of the floating shelves.